Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this chunky braid out.
I wanna take my wig off.
So I'm starting off with freshly washed and conditioned hair. If you want to know what type of deep conditioner I use, go ahead and click on my first video. I sectioned my hair off in 4 sections, and I'm just going to start by spraying some rose water. For those who don't know what rose water does or what it is, I decided to just put in this little picture with some details on what rose water actually does for your hair. Okay, back to the video. I'm just going to start off by detangling my hair with a wide tooth comb. I'm using 1 pump of the whipped cream coconut leave-in conditioner by Ren Pure. I purchased this leave-in conditioner at my local Marshall's for $6.99. The cream that I'm going to be using today is the Jamaican Castor Oil Curl Cream. As you can see, I got this from Marshall's for only $3.99. This product is super thick, as you can see, and this is exactly how I like all of my creams. Now just look at how well that $3.99 product defined my curls. When I looked this cream up online, I see that it's $9.99, but I would suggest getting it from Marshall's because everything there is cheaper. And I'm just adding some more cream here. I want to make sure that each section is completely moisturized since I'm doing big braids. I'm taking just a dab of the Coconut Eco Styler Gel just to kind of give me some hold. I'm detangling with my favorite paddle brush, and then I'm just going to go in and start to braid. I like to detangle the ends just to prevent as much frizz as possible. Continue to braid all the way down until you can't braid anymore, and then just twirl the ends. I'm just going to repeat that same process for the rest of my head. All of the products are linked down below. All of these products in the video I did purchase from Marshall's. As I said before, you may want to purchase your products from Marshall's because they are a little bit cheaper. That cream was $9.99, but I was able to snag it for $3.99. The leave-in conditioner was $6.99, but you can order it online for about $8. And then the Eco Styler Gel I got for about $3.99 at the beauty supply store. Yes, look how juicy those braids are. If your braids ain't juicy, sis, it ain't gonna come out right. For this braid out, I'm only gonna do 4 chunky braids. For 1, because it was Memorial Day and I didn't have time to do all those twists. And for 2, I just didn't have time to do all those twists. Like, I just didn't feel like doing that this wash day. This is a good way to achieve a good braid out for times when you don't have time. Or if you're just plain lazy like me. I just wanted to try this out to see how long it would take me. And sis, I suggest you to try it. It cuts down your time a lot. I tried to slow it down a little bit right here for those who don't know how to do like plaits or braids, but I realize it's still going a little fast. So if you guys want me to make another video on just how to do plaits or braids, there are people who don't know how to do them. So I will make a video about that if you'd like. And this is how your braids should look Faux braids just like grandma used to do when you were little. I'm taking a bobby pin and pinning all 4 of those braids to the opposite side of my head. I do this to achieve as much stretch as possible. I ended up sitting under the dryer for about 45 minutes. And this is me just taking out those bobby pins. I did apply some oil to my fingers before I started taking down these braids. I took them down as slowly as possible. Again, I do this to try to eliminate as much frizz as possible. Okay, y'all, don't laugh at me, but I didn't even notice that I had this bobby pin in my hair until like the end of the video. Yeah, this is when I realized that bobby pin was there. Anyway, I'm taking some coconut eco styler gel and smoothing it on my edges. This has my edges sleek to the gods, y'all. Watch to the end and see how, just look, like I don't even have to say. And I usually tie my edges down after I'm done smoothing them down, but I didn't have time. So as you see, I'm just smoothing them down with my hand. And here is the finished look. I didn't get to record me picking out the roots, but if you want to see that, go to my first video. Thank you guys once again for watching. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and tune in for my next video.